All right, the stovepipe's back in. Fire's going. I even cleaned up around the stove. Ended up putting the stove back a couple inches. And the pipe is nice and straight now. Good and secure. A couple screws in down here. Let me turn my light on here. A couple screws in there. A couple there. Could put another one, but I'm pretty sure it's okay. I mean, 3 screws would probably be better. 3 or 4 even. I'm going to get a couple more straps. I'd like to put another strap up here on top. See, I really like how it's finished off now. That metal is in there. The other ones are on. I needed to, when I first put it on, this one was warping the pipe just a little bit because I didn't have it perfectly round. And then this one would not fit because of that. Plus, it was a little tight anyway, so I'd take the hammer and tap the inside edge of this one all the way around just to open it up slightly to go over top of this one. But it looks really good. I have this strap holding these in, holding the pipe where it's supposed to be. So I'd like to put another strap here. And then maybe even one down here. But we'll see. That one's not so critical. It's just easier taking the straps off when you need to pull it out and clean it. And we'll have to check this next year before we, in springtime or fall time again. And we'll keep an eye on it, but we should be good. The pipe all seemed really good. It was this bottom piece right here that had rusted. The rest was fairly solid. I mean, it wasn't maybe brand new, but this part here pretty much looks brand new. And that was the same age. Okay, the fire's going well. At first it didn't want to draw because it got pretty nice outside, so the air was coming down. So I had to put a piece of newspaper in there to get some heat fast to get the air going back up. And I opened up a window too. That also, I feel it helps. But it's all going good now. Thought about making a bottom piece there because originally I think this stove might have had a bottom piece here on the bottom. And there is a spot to screw it in. But I have that nice stone there, so that looks really good too. So I think we're going to let that go. Did a little cleaning around it, not real good, but it's not bad. Okay, I'll call it a day on this. And tomorrow I have another project I would like to start.